Dude, that is awesome. Hey, do you have it on?
Yeah, I do now.
Are you sure? Because I thought the lid was closed.
That's what happens when you don't tie your boat. Rod just made the observation, hey, there's nobody out there in that boat. Somebody messed up. I looked and I was like, dude, that's my boat.
That is hilarious.
I'm sorry, it is.
Spencer was supposed to tie the boat off.
Oh, shut up, man. You gonna blame everything on me.
Well, what's so bad is we didn't even notice it going.
I thought he was joking when he said that.
Spencer, swim on out there and get the boat.